Apotoa benya kongata siboro kerotogo kia tumembase kile ma palisi na joto ya beruke kaimukerunuke apotu Kisumu ni kisiai chuaiki na beruke kwa pitacha unitori tumembasi leo erayo kilenike.
They told the woman that we shall not touch you, for you are going to look after the children, but the man we are killing him. I prayed to God silently. I just say, God help me.
Akaulo na amojirikin abokonyo kia tumwembasi kajalakin imbambu kiloro apotua benyaka ikunyak siotogo kia Grace Busese na sekengisita benyak elomnetia tutubetarai ajokuka iborokiere.
They said that, Ali, is this the town we bypassed off? Ali said, yes, let us surround the house. They and then they surrounded this house and starting banging the doors. This is the front doors doesn't open. They went to the behind doors. They banged like 2 times. The door just opened itself. They and then they reached on me.
Apotukora sakisi ainyisitene ajayo kilenike ibora bu kitamara na Busese porotoa ingai toi mama yario nepige sarinyesi kwa pakuko kin kongole aretiko kuyenda ngapiti nyesi kopora ibora bu koyo wa ijarake.
They saw the baby in the back. They said that you have younger baby. I said yes. They said that we will not kill you. We cannot kill the person with the baby. They and then they looted my things.
After like 1 hour after they have gone, then my father came and he called me. I answered. Then he said, this one is still alive. Let us rush him to the hospital. And when Bwera saw, they said, no, we can't manage this one. She needs a CT scan. They tied all my teeth together.
Nuwai turur wampalia imbambu nyesi apotwa jepejepeta anua paga anui dulo kokomodia saijara kie kapa kinada euriana kalona dolore nyesi adekis na kobuera ajala kidokwa na nyesi apu serutukai duwe ikanyape koto modue ikanyape alu yena polon kakere nyeserai karu ito monare ido yeni didi kakere neserai ekaredio peke daila pio ikanyeuni
kasaba mtu atikaye kutsivu kunduka langirawe sahenwe ngambo ebyeriria situchitokeria twanganabe bana ulufizi tukaye unia aho walangirwa beso wangatisha bana na 10 walangira mwambera eringeyu mwakayo mwabira sirama banza munawute ekindu mwabi munemwe madeni wabandu tunahanu tukabulanga tukole tutu enzalani nene kutsivu tukabula kisano chirihereria abana.
Eroko abenya keja lakina aibo isitina apotukobili bila taiduka ikiereko sodete aidak ayanga ridio bore kiere yena pedore taiduko kina kanini kechetoma. Apotu kosuro kiserela wasya kosodete Eyarit ngauni kai kama ridue yare idiope yeni karitomo nauni. Buambali Junior itelepata yeni kari ikanyangon nesia seseni eiponelo dataka nunatarino.
Ngawanga note amanyibucha omoja wa batolo amanyibucha ama na binyibucha mabwat na bama bambo otsero ngama bisingo otsero bama babo hamabo na bama bikikalia ngama kwa mera ya Samson yenyum na bama babika na bama bamunga samba yenje ngasu manyumba na mngalama na morera.
Duduma Joykim lo erai okoke kalatwan neseroko area nguni papeluche Itunga ingisita jenun ne itorunito sia benya kakeda yuara kerena yogilil na isipokinita yoikori Uganda kakwa pungini na ka Democratic Republic na Congo.
The soldiers came during the COVID-19 in 2020. Up to now they are still protecting the border. We don't know where these rebels passed. Up to now they are still protecting. And they came, they did what they wanted when the soldiers at the border, and we are the last people staying at the border. Imagine 100 meters to the river, and even some soldiers, they are staying in our gardens which are around the river.
So the place is just very clear with some good paths there. So those paths, it's what they used to come to the school. Nothing could stop them. They were free actually.
Legwa ikinite President ko district Loko kasese nesecha munitebe apotwa benya Kongo pixi ajore na despoki nitapuga nikidinge ikori Uganda kakwa pungini na Congo.
Frankly speaking, our troops were there and I say they did not cross that day because, as I said, they have brothers. They speak the same language. They maybe use and that where they passed is that crossing road is where they do most of the business. Maybe they used that advantage. Same thing that withdraw. No, there was no withdraw. Anything can happen. As I told you, that getting malaria, you never know when it will attack you.
Kilipitisyo keda aidules agangatakus etiona dumuni boriyeni nyamara ijaisone ipoket mamso ijeni inyo itani aidue ng'ing'esi aimonyone monye titunga luapoto kuwata tonarakani ninu abenya. Kanuka TV East, Alexander Mackey, Okori.